everybody, it's me, Winnie the Pooh. Great to see you. And now today is just a normal day outside, or sunny, I suppose. And today I'm just gonna chill out, or something. Hey, Winnie the Pooh. Hey, Buzz, how's it going? Yeah, good. Do you know what? I'm just gonna have a chill time with Clifford and Mufasa. So we're just gonna chill out. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye then, Buzz. Okay, I'm just gonna have a lie down and chillax for a sec. Oh, I wonder who could that be? Hello.
Hello, is that Winnie the Pooh? Hi, it's me, Thomas the Tank Engine.
Oh, hi, Thomas. You're from Thomas Shorts, have you?
Yes, I am from Thomas Shorts.
Oh yeah, I remember you from the last episode. Is when you messaged to us. So anyway, how are you today, mate?
I'm alright, thank you. How's the show getting on?
Yeah, the show's pretty good. We're just starting already.
Excellent. Hey, I love it when Clifford won Challenge Mufasa. That is a fantastic episode.
Ah, that's fantastic. Hold on one sec. Hey, Buzz, Clifford and Mufasa, come over here. Yes, what is it? Thomas the Tank Engine from Thomas Shorts said that Challenge Mufasa is a great episode. Ah, thank you very much, Thomas. You are the best. Hey. Okay, we're just gonna carry on doing the chillax time, okay? Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah, have fun chillaxing and that, guys. Anyways.
Was it a little bit like Challenge Ant and Challenge Donkey Kong?
Yes, Challenge Donkey Kong is Mario Toys Family Superstar, and Challenge Ant is SMTV Live.
That's perfect. Have you got a minute? Sweet. Do you like Nicky Graham that much?
Of course I like Nicky Graham. I think I just told you in the last episode.
Oh, I see, I like Nicky Graham though.
Cool.
Well, the reason why I've got to call you because I want Ben Bryan, Aaron Mann, and Harry Humble to do the Nicky Graham impressions. I can't do mine. I can't do that on mine. Maybe I can.
Well, give it a try then, Thomas.
Well, Jack can't. I can't remember. Hey, by the way, does Oscar Barnett? Can I have a phone call with Oscar Barnett from his TV burp?
Yeah, you can phone Oscar Barnett of his TV burp. So yeah, that would be a great idea. Maybe you can do it for Children in Need special.
That would be sweet. Hopefully he will someday. Okay, I've got to go now because I've got a lot of stuff to do. So tell Winnie the Pooh I've just phoned, okay?
Okay, I will do.
See you then.
Bye, Thomas. Wow, that was great. Hey, Winnie the Pooh, come over here. What is it then, Winnie the Pooh? Thomas the Tank Engine phoned me. Oh, really? I remember that, the last episode. That's where he messaged to us. Yes. Also, Thomas the Tank Engine will be back in his third and final time in Winnie the Pooh Toys Family. I think it is, yeah. What's his final appearance on the next episode? It's called Will You Start the Fans Please? Oh, okay. That's alright. Who is presenting? Thomas the Tank Engine. Ah, right. I thought you know about that. Yeah. See you again. Hey, see you soon. I wonder what Scooby-Doo is doing. Hey, Scooby-Doo. Oh, Mr. Incredible. Hello, how are you? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Good. What are you doing? Well, I just have a bit of chillax time there. I'm about to go to Costa Coffee in Devices in a minute. Do you want to come? Yeah, that would be great. That fantastic. So, yeah, and that's about it. Hey guys, guess what? What? Thomas the Tank Engine from Thomas Shorts phoned Winnie the Pooh. Thomas Shorts, hey? You know, Thomas Shorts, from on Superstar Comedy, which is Eric Howell's channel. Oh yeah, I saw that on his channel. It's Eric Howell, or Jack Howell, which is his real name. So Thomas Shorts is quite cool show. Yes. Also, he will be here for the next episode of Will You Start the Fans Please? It's his third and final appearance on Winnie the Pooh Toys Family. You're free to come and watch if you want. No, we're just about to go to we're just about to go to the bus and to visit Harry Humble's. Oh, okay. Well, have fun. I'm going to see Harry Humble in Portsmouth, is it? Yes. Cool. Hey, Minnie, Winnie the Pooh, who's going to invite someone to do Will You Start Fans Please? Well, it's me, you, Eminem guy, Russell Martin. How about you two? Sorry, we can't go because we're going to see Harry Humble. Harry Humble? You know, Atari Media Active guy, Harry Humble. That 16-year-old boy. Oh yeah, I saw that on his channel. That would be fantastic. Well, have fun going. Well, people, I hope you enjoyed this episode, but I'm afraid it's time to go. No! We'll see you guys in the next episode. Yes, and also, Thomas the Tank Engine will be back in the next episode. His third and final appearance. Yay. But for now, bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. And also, here is a sneak peek for the next episode when Thomas the Tank Engine is going to appear. Okay, doors closing. Stand clear. On tight. We start the fans, please. Doors closing now. That's it. Okay. Hold on tight and don't move. We start the fans, please.
Thank you very much.